This is how. First, there's Emily and Kim. She doesn't want to show her face. There's Emily. We take our cake balls that we've mashed our cake together with a little bit of buttercream and roll them into balls. Kim, your hand's right in the way of the video camera. And then we take our sticks and we dip just a little bit. Kim, show us how much. Okay, just a little bit of chocolate, and this helps prevent the stick from falling out, and we just insert it into the ball. And then we let them dry, and then we will dip them, and we'll come back and show you that part. Bye. Okay, so now we're dipping our chocolate. Emily's just letting it drip. Now, it's a slightly different technique when you want the stick to be down versus up. This is down, so you have to make sure that it's perfect on the top. Very nice, Emily. Now let's see what Kim's doing over here. Kim, are yours up too? Yes. Yes, she says. Okay. Very nice. How long do these take to dry?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. And you store them in the refrigerator when you're done?
Yes.
Okay, we'll store them in the refrigerator when we're done. Thank you, ladies. This is very informative.